Hello viewers, another air raid siren of Los Angeles. This is Siren 203. That's another flattened birdhouse. It's on Ventura Boulevard and Carpenter Avenue in the city of Studio City. So I'll show you. Alright, so I'm here, Studio City, and this is the other air raid sirens I've been to. So this one, another flattened birdhouse. On the first flattened birdhouse I filmed. I wasn't sure of the model number, and then I've had so far 3 people chime in on the comments about what model this is. So one said it's a cut down model. It's the model number 5 cut down version, and then also a model 7T, also a cut down version. Somebody else said it's a Siro drone siren, S-I-R-O, Siro drone siren. I think I'm saying that right. That it might be that. So the debate continues on the model number for this birdhouse, but there it is. Now, this one's been painted. There, ones I've seen have been, the poles have been brown, but this one here has been all painted gray. And I'll check the electrical. And there's the wire. So there's no electrical hookup on this one. But this one's been painted to blend in a little bit more. So there you go. Another air raid siren of Los Angeles, flattened birdhouse. Here in Studio City, California. All right. Thanks for watching.